Well, hello everybody on this second day of December. I almost said November, and the second day of meteorological winter off and running mild here, just like the month of November was. We talked about on Monday how mild it was for the Twin Cities, but also globally, year to date, with only one more month to go, we are just 1/100th of a degree away from 2016, which is the warmest year globally on record. So, and we are on par because of the Arctic is the big story, has been all year, especially Siberia. But November, all of the Arctic was very warm. Of course, we were mild here with just some cooler temperatures in Canada, but all across the Arctic, way above normal. In fact, some parts of the Arctic were 25 degrees warmer than the average for the month of November. And if that trend continues into December, that could be enough to put us over that just 1/100th of a degree to make us the warmest year globally. And of course, all of the top 5 warmest years are the last 5 years, just in a little bit of a different order. But, you know, quiet weather too. We've been talking about the lack of snow in sight. That continues. We've got a pretty powerful system to our south, a panhandle hooker that's going to stay to the south of us, though. Just high and dry here still today. We've got another area of high pressure building in behind that system that'll continue the sunshine for us. But that system will continue to track pretty much straight east, a little bit northeast, but not swinging up enough to give us any moisture or even cloud cover. Maybe we'll see some high cirrus clouds, but it's going to be rain in the southern parts of the states, but also some heavy snow developing across Kansas and Oklahoma. And then really the only weather to speak of for us comes in the form of maybe a couple of flurries early Sunday morning. And only 2 of the 3 models are doing that, so it's not even a guarantee. But yeah, we might have a couple of flurries. A weak moving system comes through early Sunday. That's going to be about it. I would doubt we get any accumulation even out of that. Maybe a dusting in northern Minnesota, but probably not in the southern part of the state. So that snowfall over the next 24 hours, though, pretty impressive here. The panhandle areas of Oklahoma into southernmost Kansas, we're talking over a ½ foot of snow. Those areas that are in the brighter purple and pink. But again, yeah, just a flurry chance for us here early Sunday. And that'll be the one day where we maybe see a few more clouds too. Otherwise, all of the next several days are pretty sunny around here. So temperatures today warming up to, I think, around 40. We were shy of it yesterday's high of 37. And basically kind of the same pattern here, copy paste over the next several days, where we'll see temperatures near 40 or upper 30s by day, and then dropping off just below freezing at night. So back down into the 20s tonight, pretty much region wide. I think we'll see lows in the 20s, probably mid 20s here in the metro, a touch cooler in the northern part of the state, and then warming back up tomorrow. Probably close to 40-degree readings through the day. Even with that weak sunlight, there's just not the cold air on our side of the continent, really. And of course, a lack of snowpack. So that means temperatures will continue to be pretty mild with the pattern that we have persisting across central and western parts of North America. So near 40 degrees again tomorrow for us, and then warming it back up here as we head into Friday, probably close to 40 once again. We are going to look for some slightly cooler temperatures moving in by the weekend maybe, but still we're talking above normal and still above freezing. But we'll start to see some temperatures in the 50s pop up in South Dakota, Nebraska. Not that unusual for this time of year. Whenever you get a Chinook wind blowing there, you get that downslope air off the Black Hills and some of the foothills of the Rockies, and that can push those temperatures up a little bit there. And sometimes we get some of the modified air from that, so that helps as well to keep our temperatures pretty mild, but mainly right around 35, 40 degrees for those highs still over the next several days. Again, Saturday might be just a touch cooler here with that slight cool air trying to push into northern Minnesota ahead of those early Sunday morning flurries. So we might be looking at mid to upper 30s highs, but still mild, still with sunshine too, which makes all the difference if you're out, especially in the middle of the day. And we're not seeing any particularly windy days in sight either. So just continued high, dry, and mild for the most part near 40 today. Again, just a couple of high clouds maybe we'll see come off that system to the southeast, and then upper 30s to near 40. In fact, by Monday, looks like we could be in the low to mid 40s into most of next week. The mild weather continues, just some subtle hints in one of the models of potentially some cold by the middle of the month, but that is way out.